Now, one of the things that I was challenged on at a recent workshop yesterday was day before was this whole idea of IRA beneficiaries. I am totally opposed to making natural people as a beneficiary of your IRA, even your spouse. It's just not a good idea when you look at what's actually going on. And let's just focus on the kids because most or natural beneficiaries, natural people who are beneficiaries. So I don't care if you're married or single, you probably have someone besides your spouse, either as a beneficiary or as contingent beneficiary. And it's a really bad idea to do it that way because when the person gets your IRA, which you have socked all your money into, right? You really focus on the IRA. You make sure that that's where your savings are. That's security for you, no question about it. Well, it's not security for your beneficiary. To them, it's a piñata. Let's break it open and have fun. Well, when they break it open and have fun, 40% plus goes to uh, because it all received as a lump sum. Typically, it jacks the recipient into the highest tax bracket, which is right around 38%, plus 4% Michigan tax. Now you're at 42% income tax on that thing. And it is the unusual, it is the rare beneficiary who stretches it out, who does the tax planning to minimize the tax on that. You have to do that. If you don't do it, they're gonna, like I say, they're gonna crack it open, they're gonna take it, and there goes 42% in Michigan anyway. It's more in other states. Go to New York, go to California. It's over 50% between state and federal income tax on the IRA beneficiary because the IRA beneficiary knows nothing better than to cash it in. Yeah, send me a check, withhold the tax. What do I see? This is the thing for you. It's like the IRA is blood, sweat, and tears money, right? It's money that you save. Your beneficiaries are not going to look at it that way. It's just free money. It's a lottery ticket, and the fact that they get 40%, 40+% less because of the way they took it, they don't care. Bird in the hand is worth two in the bush, is what they always say. Okay. So if you plan ahead for your IRA, then you can make sure that your beneficiaries get the full benefit of it. And this is just one more of those things that the government does to you without saying what they're doing. But in effect, it's the middle class death tax.